If you're looking for a certified tree removal company in Tampa, then look no further. At Miller Sun Tree Service, we can handle any of your tree removal needs. Unlike our competitors, we make tree removal, tree trimming, and stump grinding easy and reliable. What's the main reason we're known as the best tree removal service in Tampa, Florida? It's because we have offered professional and safe tree removal services for over 5 years. Plus, your satisfaction is guaranteed when you choose us. So why not call or give us a visit yourself? Go ahead and call us today at 813-579-1358 or visit us online at www.millersuntreeservice.com.